Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. Today I'm showing you how to do it yourself clip-ins. They are a lot easier than they look, so if you are interested in making your own clip-ins that are reusable and very cost effective, stay tuned. For your clip-ins, you're gonna choose any kind of hair you like. I use this Brazilian Perm Yaky because it resembles my own hair straighten the most. This hair was $20. This is 3 lengths and a closure, so I had 18, 16 and 14 inches. Now I'm going to start off with the 18 inch. After unrolling them, you see there are 2 tracks, and the tracks are where the hair is sewed together. Tracks are also known as wefts, so 2 of those are going to be 1 track for me. I measure my head where I want my first track to lay. So from the corner to the other, that I mark that point and then I cut. So here are the clips I decided to use. I had a mixture of small, medium and large. I didn't know which ones I would need and how many I would need. I ended up using a total of 20, and before you put your clips onto the track, you want to test them to make sure they open and close correctly. The last thing you want to do is find out that they're not working properly after you've already sewed them to your track. Now the next step is to start to sew. I got this needle and thread from my local beauty supply store. I got the curved needle because I'm just used to sewing hair with a curved needle, but if you have a straight one, use that too. I am just using a simple stitch. I don't remember the names of these stitches. I learned them back in school and I haven't had to use the names since, but you want to push the needle through the weft or the track, then get the end of the string, open it up and pull through. It's weird to describe or explain how to do it, so just take a good look at what I'm doing. After you've sewed your tracks together, you then want to apply your clips. Make sure you are applying your clips with the comb facing upwards. So some clips have holes along the top. The ones I got had holes along the side, and the sizes did vary. So the hole sizes varied depending on the size of the clip. These ones were simple enough to apply. I used the top 2 holes on the clip, so whichever hole your needle and thread goes through easily, just use that to sew your clip to the weft or track. I got these from my local beauty supply store. They sold them 3 for $1. I know you can get them in Sally's, and I may try those ones out another time. You're gonna want to pass the needle through the hole at least 3 times, so tie it at least 3 times and then make a knot and snip off the excess thread. For the first track, I sewed on 3 clips. I had 2 small clips on the ends and a medium clip in the middle. The medium clip is made a little differently, so my needle wouldn't fit all the way through, so I had to be creative and just sew it in through the combs at the top of the clip. Depending on how much leave out you're gonna want, you'll decide how many tracks. I didn't leave any of my hair out around the back. I left a little at the front and the top, so the rest of it was covered entirely by these clip-ins. I ended up making 7 tracks in all, measuring the size to my head. It was easy enough to make the tracks and even easier to apply them. I've already straightened my leave outs off camera. If you're interested in seeing how I straighten my hair, I'm going to leave the video linked in the iCard right there. The rest of my hair is just cane road going straight back. I flip the ends up and just apply. It's as easy as that. I did find on day 3, I just used a pin to pin my hair up, and it was easier to apply the clip-ins by that, but you see how easy they are just to go on. I slide them through and clip two sides first, and then I attach the middle sections too. This track had 4 layers. I just wanted to make sure I had enough to cover the back so none of the braids or anything were sticking out. On the next track, going a bit closer to the top, I had 3 layers in, and then the other 2 were 2 layers each, just like the ones I did at the back. I wanted my hair to look very natural, and I think it did come out looking very natural. Now when I get to the top, you see I start to add it to my hair so it blends a lot easier, and I feel like I lucked out a lot with getting almost my exact same shade in this. So this is the color 27, and my hair just seems to look like a 27 right now. I feel like Yaky hair is the perfect hair to mimic straight and natural hair. I didn't end up using the whole pack either. I used 1 bundle at the bottom. This is what was left from the second bundle, and I didn't even touch the third bundle or the closure, obviously. So a little goes a long way with this hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and until next time, lovelies.
Bossy, bossy, Godfather, man a OG. Into the cemetery, money for my mind, looking pink like hot. Anyone me a put off a bed, me no stop. Look how you make me feel. Man a big DJ, ask Megan and I bossy. I need you right now. All of this way some days, and I write for myself, no ghosting.